Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Dogecoin from Robinhood to Uphold in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, knowing how to move your assets securely is key to building your portfolio. Whether you're switching platforms for better features or just exploring, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring Dogecoin in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, before we get started, make sure you have a few essentials: an active Robinhood account with some Dogecoin in it, and a verified Uphold account ready to receive. Also, double-check that you're familiar with the basics of crypto transfers to avoid any hiccups. Things like network fees and wallet addresses can trip people up. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Head over to your portfolio and select your Dogecoin holdings. You'll see an option to withdraw or transfer out. Click that to begin. Robinhood might ask for some verification here, so have your ID or security details handy. Next, on the Uphold side, open your Uphold app and go to your Dogecoin wallet. Copy the wallet address. It's that long string of letters and numbers. Make sure you're on the correct network, like Dogecoin's native one, to prevent any errors. Now, back in Robinhood, paste that Uphold wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to send. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary. Review everything carefully, then hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification once it's processing. One quick tip: transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on both platforms for updates, and never share your wallet details publicly. If you run into issues, Robinhood's support is usually helpful. And there you have it. Your Dogecoin is on its way. This simple process keeps your assets moving smoothly in the ever-changing crypto landscape. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.